Small Cap Epicenter, AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small and mid-cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, December 9th, I've got a number of great press releases for you. China, Canada, U.S. Let's get straight to it. First up, China. We got Orient Paper, trades on the AMEX under ONP. They issued an outlook for fiscal 2011. I love it. This is a manufacturing distributor of diversified paper products, and that company used recycled paper as its primary raw material. That's why they're on the show today. Here's what they're expecting fiscal 2011. Revenues between $186 and $206 million. I'm going to talk about that in a second with respect to their market capitalization. Gross profit between $36 and $40 million. Net income between $24 and $27 million, or that translates into earnings per share about between $1.33 and $1.46. For the fourth quarter this year, 2010, they're expecting revenues about $33 million, adjusted net income of $5 million. They're calling it adjusted because they're taking out some expenses that they think will not be occurring. Let's get to their valuations here. From an earnings per share basis, if they're expecting $1.33 to $1.46, call it $1.40 next year, well, then you got to consider the fact they closed at $6.10 yesterday. So you're talking about a company that's trading about 5 times earnings, a little less than 5 times earnings or so. So that's great valuation. Also, on a revenue multiple, their market cap right now, if we got this right, is about $115 million. But they're expecting about $200 million next year, between 186 and 206. Call it 195, 200. They're expecting about $200 million in revenue. So they're trading close to half times revenue. That's a pretty low multiple considering the growth of this company on top and bottom line. So do your own research, do your due diligence, make sure there's anything out there that's scaring investors off. They do have a high of 15.15, and they did close at 6.10 yesterday. So that may be pointing to a problem that may have occurred early in the year. Go take a look. Otherwise, I love those numbers. Switching over to Canada, Northern Gold Mining trades at the venture under NGM. They announced that they hit 101 meters of 1.07 grams per ton of gold, including 11.5 meters of 2.86 grams per ton of gold and 3 meters of 10.88 grams per ton of gold. So some nice numbers here. These are assay results for 3 more diamond drill holes as part of their ongoing 30,000-meter drill program at their Garrison Gold property, which is located in the Abitibi Greenstone Belt. So great place to be. The results include long downhole intervals, according to the company, of consistent mineralization. Martin Shefsky, President CEO, had a quote. Here's an excerpt from that. Our 2010 drill program on the Garcon deposit continues to produce positive results and adds the potential of establishing an open pit mine. That's a nice thing to be looking forward to. Company closed yesterday, 35 cents, 52-week range, 48 on the high side, 12 on the low. So they're doing pretty good, trading close to the upper range. Bad news today, definitely worth taking a closer look. Jayden Resources, TSX Big Board, JDN, if I know correctly. The company just switched over to TSX, just graduated, so congratulations to Mike Fast and his group over there. They announced today that they intersected 3.2 grams per ton of gold over 15 meters and 1.7 grams per ton of gold over 33.5 meters. These are results from extension drilling to the north of previous drilling, and they said they've extended the footprint of gold mineralization at Silver Coin by 160 meters. That's always good to know. They also say mineralization remains open to the north and northwest of the existing resource. They've got a table of a lot of results there. Go take a look at them. Nice numbers. Something about the company that I didn't know and you should know. They've got a 43101 compliant resource stage project. That's the Silver Coin, which is the target of these drill results today. That's a Silver Coin gold-silver deposit in the Stewart Camp in northern British Columbia. Closed yesterday, 33 cents, 40 cents on the 52-week high, 8 cents on the 52-week low. So a lot of shareholders are very happy over there. And with these numbers, they should continue to remain happy. Quest Rare Minerals. A lot of you know about this company, big rare earth company, trades in the venture into QRM. They announced that they believe they discovered a new deep rare earth element zone that's northwest of their B zone pegmatite deposit. They say they got drill results that returned up to 14.5 meters at 2.65% trio true rare earth oxides. This is in the project in Strange Lake, Quebec. Number of highlights here. I'm going to give you a couple. Multiple high-grade intersections between 1.1 and 31.47% trio over widths of 0.75 meters and 67 meters. That's big. Deepening of 2009 drill holes into the B-zone deposit have extended from 135 meters to over 314 meters vertical. So nice number there. If you don't know about the company, They're currently advancing several high-potential rare earth projects in Canada's premier rare earth exploration areas. Closed yesterday, 479. It's been a stellar performer over the last year and a half or so. Their 52-week high, 572, 52-week low, $1.74. So congratulations to Peter Cash and his team over there. And finally, on the non-resource side, because we always like to say not everything that glitters is gold, you got Bond Laboratories, OTC company BNLB. They announced that they increased their November revenues by 32%. They're a manufacturer of looks like workout products, energy products, and juices and nutritional products. Revenue up for November, 32% from about $388,000 to $506,000. They've got over 60 brands of energy, sport, and dietary supplements. They're sold directly to most specialty health and nutrition retailers, including GNC. Closed yesterday, 12 cents, way off its 52-week high of 83.5 cents, just off its 52-week low of 9 cents. So you might want to take a closer look at that. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small cap companies, if you're watching us on Globe Investor, look below me or to the left of me. Take a look at our most recent headlines and webcasts, also to give you great leads. And if you're watching us on AGORACOM, or if you're not there yet, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch this show, take a look at the best headlines on our front page, or get yourself into the marketplace to discover your next great company. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.